students. So let's start. Exercise. Let me share that screen with you. Yes. So we had completed up to this exercise. We had completed this exercise. Yes. So we had completed this G exercise. You will complete. Rest of the questions you all have to complete. Correct use of I and me. Page number 61. At times we are not clear whether to use I or me in the sentence. So here we'll find out that where we have to use I and where we have to use me. Let us understand their correct usages. Radha and me or I are going to the market. Divide the sentence into two parts. Radha is going to the market. I am going to the market. Radha and I are going to the market is the correct sentence. Understand? Example, mother asked Sonam, mother asked Sonam and I to bring flour. Divide the sentence. Mother asked Sonam to bring the flowers. Mother asked me to bring the flowers. Mother asked Sonam and me to bring the flowers. Understand? Circle the correct option in each sentence. Raman and I will stay back at home. So which is the right answer? I will stay back at the home or me will stay back at the home. Whenever you are confused that which sentence, which word is correct, just divide them. Understand? I will stay back at the home or me will stay back at the home. Correct? Yes.
Mama.
Yes. The correct word is I.
Mother.
You have to circle. Okay, let's circle it. Mother told brother and me to clean the study room. Parth, which is the right answer? I or me?
Mammy. Mammy.
For this, you have to divide the sentence. Mother told me to clean the study room, or mother told I to clean the study room. Correct word is
Mammy.
I hope you all can do rest of the exercise by yourself. Adil and I are going. We are going. Which is
Yes.
would you like to give to go to swimming with Haider and I or me? Which is correct. We have to circle it. Grandpa wrote a letter to Rohan and me or I. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. Complete rest of the exercise. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Move to the next, which is review. Review 1. I hope you all can do this review 1. We had already completed.
Ma'am.
Any questions?
Ma'am, you will say, ma'am, you will give us homework to complete.
I gave you this as a homework. Okay. And part, try to understand that where we have to use will. Will is used for future tense, which means we are supposed to do something. Going to do, करने वाले हैं. He already gave this as a homework. This is the right sentence. Will we have to use for future tense. Future में जो होने वाला है उसके लिए हम will use करते हैं. Understand? For future. And for past tense, we use gave, you gave me, you already said that. You have to use the word, the past form, the third form of the verb we have to use mostly, second and third. Rewrite the next. I hope that you all have completed this because I already gave you as your homework. Move to the next chapter, which is chapter 13, verbs. Read these sentences. Varun is talking to Soumya. I do my work every day. Here the word is bold. The word in bold tells us what the subject Varun and I are doing or do. This means that verb is talking and do are doing words. The verb is talking and do are doing words. Now read the sentences. Veena is an intelligent girl. Mihir was happy. Here the word in the bold tells us that about Veena and Mihir. Veena and Mihir के बारे में words बता रहे हैं. This means that the verbs is and was are being verbs. Here is and was. They both are verbs. Understand? Is and was. They both are verbs. Now, the chair has 4 legs. Meena had a pink dress. So, has and had. The two words which we can see here, they both are showing possession. They are showing possession. You can see the definition. A verb is used to denote what a person thinks or animal does, what a person, animal thinks or things is, and what a person, animal or thing has. 3 things above denotes. Doing verbs. Most of the verbs fall into category of doing verbs, such as doing verbs are I eat, I ate, and I will eat. As I told you, Parth, you can look here. Present, if sentence is present, means I eat. मैं खाता हूँ. Past, I ate. मैं खाता था. Future, I will eat. मैं खाऊंगा. Will we have to use for future, and normal first form of the verb we have to use for present, and for past we have to use present. What are you doing? The verbs are in first verb will be and shall be. They all are the verbs be verb. Present am is are, and for past was were, and for future will be and will. Have verb. Have verbs are have, has, had, will have, shall have. They all are have verbs. Underline the verbs in the following story. Now here we have to underline the verbs in the following story. I hope you all understood that what are verbs now here. So you all can easily underline the verb in this story. Like in the first one is, one day Akbar asked his courtiers. So asked, पूछना is a verb. It's a kind of verb, doing word. What is the thing? Is being verb. The thing that travels, doing verb. One courtier. Sarthak, off your mic, please. For disturbing the class. Bullock cart. Another said. Why? Wind. Yet another said. Like. Said. Again said. Akbar waited for Birbal's answer and then Birbal spoke. Akbar waited. Birbal's answer and then Birbal spoke. Your Majesty, the thought in the mind travel the fastest. So I hope you all can do the exercise here, travel. Rest of the story, you have to find out verb, underline them and complete it. Object of the verb. Read these sentences. Jugal loves cricket. Meena scolded Veena. In the sentence, first cricket is the answer of the question. Jugal loves what? The answer is cricket. Is the object of the verb loves. Veena is object of verb scolded. Transitive verbs. What are transitive and intransitive verbs? Here we will try to understand them. Veena loves, Mona likes. These are not sentences. They are incomplete sentences. They are incomplete and require object to complete their sentence, their meaning. You can see Meena loves is not a complete sentence. So for completing the sentence, we just have to put an object here. We have to put any object here. Now read the same group. Veena loves Chinese food. Now it's completed. Mona likes ice cream. Now it is completed. Intransitive verbs which require the object to complete their sense are called intransitive verbs. The definition is given here, which you all have to learn and you have to write. What is intransitive verb? Verbs that which require objects to complete their senses. जिन सेंटेंस को ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है to complete their sentence, that is called transitive verb. And intransitive verbs, only doing verbs and verbs showing possession can be transitive verbs. Understand? Next, intransitive verbs. These verbs. Read these sentences. Jia laughed. Here you can see Jia laughed. The baby cried. These sentences are complete and do not require any object to complete their meaning. Jia laughed is complete sentence. The baby cried is complete sentence. Verbs that makes complete sense without object are called intransitive verbs. जिन sentences को object की जरूरत नहीं रहती है, अब complete होते हैं. These types of sentences are called intransitive verbs. These types of verbs of incomplete prediction and complement. Read these groups of words. Mrs. Kumar was, the baby appears. These verbs in the sentences was, appears cannot make complete sense by themselves. They don't express any action or show any possession. Now here it is completed. Mrs. Kumar was a teacher. The baby appears sleepy. As you can see, they are completed. The verb which does not express any action or show possession and needs the help or presence of some words or words to make sense is called a verb of incomplete production. Example, B seems appears low. The word or words that helps a verb of incomplete prediction to make sense are called complements. Understand? They are required to form a complete predicate. Transitive verbs need object to make sense. Intransitive verbs make sense by themselves. They do not require any object. Verbs of incomplete prediction need words, not objects, to make complete sense. Underline the verbs and circle the object in the following sentence. Here we have to underline the verb and we have to circle the object. Tina bought a new cycle. Answer is, which is verb? Verb is bought. And which is new cycle. Ara, please off your mic. Next. Mona has a new doll. Here. Second question is here. It is Fatima eats an apple. Here, eats. This question is not on your book, I think. Fatima eats an apple. Here, eats is verb and an apple is object. Next, mother praised Sohan for his performance. Mona has a new doll is next question. Next question is Mona has a new doll. So here has is verb, a new doll is object. Next question is mother praised Sohan for his performance in the unit test. So here you can see praised is verb and which is the object. Object is Pratyanshu. Put your camera properly.